Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best tool for the researcher and content creator and developer. That one is AI Detector Pro. How to analyze this particular content is a AI generated or human generated. One of the tool are providing such kind of facilities. How to use, where is available, what is advantage, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all need Google and just put it here AI Detector Pro and enter. Even I already added this link in video description. You click and come to the directly here. Click here and look at this here. Such kind of results you are receiving, human or AI. This platform are producing 3 languages like English, German and Spanish also. So that one is interesting. Here some of the informations also available. You can visit on this platform. If you scroll down here, free for 3 AI scan every month. If you pay $13.99, you can receive 103 AI scanning per month, and you won't take unlimited everything, so you need to pay $24.99. You can use my referral link and directly reach and register. So we register also. I have already account, so register point of view, add just name, email address, password, and that's it. Confirm. Afterward you receive one email address on your email, and then you can provide the verification. I just simply log in. This is my account. Here unlimited, I already do the subscription for this platform, because of that one is really interesting. Here dashboard, reports and projects. So I will show you one of the research article, and then we can select this one is AI generated or human. Right here AI generated percentage and human right percentage. We can go here news AI scan, click here. We need to put it here the text particular, so I just copy this text for PDF, put it here, and here 3 languages are showing, so we go with English and analyze. And look at this, 93% is come from AI generated and 7% come from human generated. So accordingly you can copy again text and analyze how much percentage this particular research article or dissertation or any other blog. So accordingly you receive such kind of output. And if you click here dashboard, so dashboard percentage is coming here, morely in 100% is AI generated and afterwards not human. So if you click here, we can see and analyze where is available. Open with AI eraser. So these are the AI erasers. So accordingly you can edit here your entire paragraph and then again rescan your documents and very easily convert as AI to human writing blog. So that one is really outstanding, and you can deal with your all activities, reports in report section. You can create as a specific projects and accordingly decide the project name. You just consider like a research article name or blog name, and accordingly you can modify your content hourly or day-to-day basis, and afterward you can publish on social media. That website portal is one of the outstanding portal I saw ever. So you can use this portal and avoid AI scanning of your blog. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.